Hi, I'm Aneesa. Welcome to our channel, Offbeat Life. We'd love it if you'd stay and subscribe and also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Today, because it's Veganuary, I'm going to be sharing with you my vegan story. Oh, hey, Bev. Yeah, no, not much. Just laying around reading a book. Tuesday night, nothing too exciting. How about you? Yeah, I wouldn't mind going out. It's, YOLO, right? Let's do something. Yeah, let's go for dinner. I do kind of feel like a steak, actually, if I'm honest. What about you? Okay. Well, why don't we go to the Keg? I mean, they always have good steak there, right? Okay, cool. Yeah, I'll get ready and we'll plan to meet over there for 7. Perfect. Okay, bye. Yeah, so that was me. That was about 9 years ago. Completely different person than the person I am today, as I mentioned. But at that time, I also started to become interested in how I could slow down the aging process. So I started to do a lot of research to learn about how I could do that naturally. And that led me to learn about things like alkaline foods versus acidic foods, foods that were easier to digest, that would give your body the opportunity to go in and fix any health issues that you may be having, as well as to help to beautify you. And the answer to all of that really came down to fruits and vegetables. So I went to work eating way more fruits and vegetables in the form of smoothies and salads. So then I got inspired to get in the kitchen and start cooking. I started making beautiful plant-based meals, and I got really excited about it because I had no idea how fun and easy plant-based cooking could really be. And this naturally started to push out the animal-based meals that I had been eating previously. So at this point, I was still eating some animal-based products, and I was also continuing with my research. And one of the things in particular, in the industry that I work in the life and health insurance industry, I could see the alarming stats of people getting ill due to things like heart attack, stroke, cancer, and even diabetes. And my research led me to learn about the impact of plant-based eating to help to reduce your risk of these common ailments. And then that led me to the China Study. The China Study is a famous book that talks about the impact of diet on your overall health. And when I finished reading that book, there was 2 things that I took away from it. Number 1 was the exciting news that moving to a completely plant-based diet or majority plant-based diet would help to reverse the damage that we've already done to our bodies over the years. That was really exciting because it was empowering to me. And then the second thing I took away from it was the fact that there was really no appropriate amount of animal-based product that would actually support your health. So I thought to myself, why bother eating animal products if they're not going to support my health? And I was already thoroughly enjoying the plant-based food I was already eating. So I decided to go all in. So being fully plant-based, I was thriving. I was feeling amazing. I was sleeping well. I had a ton of energy. I was performing extremely well in the gym. I was doing things like Muay Thai, performing at a really high level. I got into yoga, heavy weightlifting as well. I was just feeling amazing. So I started to then realize that the choices that I made about the food that I eat had a positive impact on the environment as well as the welfare of animals. And then that led me to question, well, what are my other choices, my consumer choices? How are those things impacting the environment and the animals? And then that led me to fashion. And I mentioned at the beginning that I do love fashion a lot, and I still do, but it made me realize that I don't really have to wear the leather and fur and animal products in order to be fashionable and beautiful. So now, 9 years after the start of my plant-based journey, I'm pleased to report I feel amazing, I'm thriving, and I have more energy than I did even in my 20s. And now the place that I'm at, I really do want to make sure that I'm treading lightly on this earth and that the choices that I make related to my food and my consumer choices don't cause harm. And by no means am I perfect, but it's a journey. This is my journey, and we're sharing it with you here at Offbeat Life. And that's one of the reasons we started our channel, was to provide you with a view of our journey and to provide you with some inspiration. My journey is going to be different than yours, but we hope that we can in some way inspire you. Thank you so much for joining me to listen to my plant-based story. If you're out there and you're interested in starting a plant-based journey of your own, I'm happy to let you know that we have released our Beginner's Guide to Plant-Based Eating. If you'd like a copy of that, it's a free copy that you can get just by clicking on the link below. It shares a lot of different tips to help you get started, as well as a starter pack of recipes. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone that you think might find it helpful. And please do comment below with your experience moving to a plant-based diet or any challenges that you may be facing. We'd love to know where you guys are at on your journey. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.